I was losing my hair in the front so much, and I didn't know what to do. But yeah, I came here and I love it. I have no regrets. I recommended it to 3 other members in my family, and hopefully they'll be in. I mean, they loved it. Everybody loved it, and it did change my life. It really did. It's, I don't know, I feel like hair for a woman is her beauty. Earlier this week, I FaceTimed so I could see my baby niece, and my nephew turns around. He's like, "Oh, Aunt Maggie, I love your hair. What'd you do with it?" And then his wife, she says, "Oh my God, you look so beautiful. You see what happens when you're so relaxed, how natural your hair and your glow is." They don't know about it. And I said, "Oh, thank you." Then my other niece came over Sunday and we went out. She's like, "Oh my God, you always have your hair tied back. I never realized how beautiful you are." And I said, "Thank you." So really, I didn't tell too many people. The compliments just keep coming. And Leslie's great. She's amazing. The company's amazing. Everybody is amazing. And I have no regrets. I have no regrets at all. So I'm very happy.